And I believe that we talked about this earlier in the audit, just auditing the site for server errors. Typically, the 404 is the biggest one that we come across. It's a big deal to kind of external link to broken links. You're just going to be guiding along people for a bad user experience, but Google also doesn't like if you're linking out to broken links, and it's much worse if you're doing it internally. So internal, you're linking to another page within your website. Maybe a page moved, maybe you changed the URL. That could be among the reasons. And then external, sometimes you have to do that audit more often because you might be externally linking to a blog or resource that another website might have taken down, or the website doesn't exist anymore. So you want to do this probably more often than annually. I would suggest doing this one quarterly.